Now we can do the thigh and the paws. Go to draw, go to custom stroke, and we're going to click planar, and we're just going to make a straight line like this. Then we're going to press Y. Then grab it, press Y again, push the stick to the right if you wish to make this side bigger. And we're going to make it look like that. Does look good? This is going to be the thigh of the rabbit. Press Y when you're done. Make it bigger to fit the rabbit. And we're going to duplicate this on both sides. Next step, we're going to do the same thing. Click with your left trigger. Then we're going to make a slightly curved line. Press Y, grab it, scale it up a little bit. Press Y again, increase the size of it. They don't need to be too big. Press Y, scale it up, grab it, press Y one more time. You click Convert to Subdivision Object. You can then take this entire bottom part and flatten it. When you're done, press Y, scale it up to fit our rabbit. This can be the front paw. Then we can take it, click to duplicate it. We can do that again for the back paw. If they have trouble fitting it in there, you can press Y again and adjust this side to be shorter. Press Y again. Then finally, we can do the same thing again. Go here, custom stroke. For the tail, 1, 2, 3, make it really short. Press Y and do the exact same thing. Press Y again, make this side bigger. And make this side much pointier. Press Y when you're done, scale it up, make it fit our rabbit, and then we have a nice rabbit silhouette. Next thing, we can do the detail. So go to our colors, click on it, go to a black, toon black is fine. Go to our brushes, so go to custom strokes, go to mixed input mode, and just click a dot. Once you have that, you can scale it and put it in the eyeball. You can duplicate. You might need to rotate the head because it's looking a little lopsided. Then we can do our little button nose. Give it the same round we've been doing it, but maybe make it a little bit lighter. Then I'm going to go to our brushes again. Go to custom stroke. I'm going to go to projection mode. Make it a round brush. Turn on end caps. Make it smaller. Then what we can do with that is grab these pieces that we just made and push them in the face a little bit, and then give it a little bit of a pinker nose. We can go to custom volume, make sure we put our planar back, and we can make a little triangle nose. Click Y when you're done, edit it, push forward on the stick to make it actually go to the corner. Click Y when you're done, grab it, there. Then we can press forward on our stick, grab the entire thing, press X, group it, and scale it down and put it with the rest of our flowers. So these flowers. Be sure to group your stuff, guys. Happy Easter, and I'll see you all in the next video.